Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, Get Into Technology. And in this video, I'm going to take you in and I'm going to show you how to set up family sharing. And if you want to add Apple Music subscription, arcade subscription, Apple News, Apple Fitness, you can. So I'm going to take you in. I'm going to show you how to set this all up. So stay tuned for this video. Okay, if you haven't already, what you want to do is sign into your phone. And then what you want to do is go find the Settings app. It looks like a gear. And mine is at the top there to the right. You want to click on Settings. So once you're inside the settings, you want to click on your name at the top. Let's click there. And you want to come down to the second column, and we're going to set up family sharing. So let's click family sharing. Okay, you can see in here that I already have a family member, but if you decide you want to add, it says add family member, and below that it shows shared with your family, Apple TV, purchases, sharing, and then below that you see Apple subscriptions, location sharing, iCloud storage, ask to buy, and screen time. So for this video tutorial, I'm going to just click on Apple subscriptions. So let's click there, third column down, and it opens up in here. And you see family sharing, Apple subscriptions for your family. Subscribe once and everyone in your family gets access using their own device and their own accounts. So you can add Apple Music, you can add Apple Arcade, Apple News, and Apple Fitness. So click on Apple Music, that's the one I want to add. Invite up to 5 other people. Everyone gets their own account. Plan auto renew for $14.99 until canceled. And then if you want to see more plans, you can click on that. You got individual, family plan, and then student. I'm just going to click back at the top left. And it says upgrade, and it says join through Rogers. Well, Rogers is my cell provider. I didn't get it through them. I subscribed through Apple many years ago. So I'm just going to click upgrade. If you're all set up, you've added your family member, and you've gone through the steps, now you can come in here and you can add, if you already have a Apple Music account, you can add up to 5 other family members on their account, as I just read. So what I want to do today is I want to upgrade, so I'm going to click on upgrade. And then it shows you Apple Music. To confirm with side button, double click it. So now it's populating. Share the music with your family. Up to 6 people get music, Apple Music with your family plan. Everyone gets their own account. Invite via messages. There you go, you can put the name in and send it. So that's basically it for this video. I wanted to bring you in here and show you how to add family sharing on Apple Music. And we succeeded at doing that, and now you just have to invite who your family members are, and you're good to go. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with GIT Get Into Technology by subscribing to this channel. It's down on the right side of this video, just below. And you also want to click on the bell notification, and any new videos that are coming out, you'll be notified, and you will able to continue on with your learning. And we have new videos coming out all the time. Remember to subscribe to GIT Get Into Technology and click the bell notification down below the red arrow on the right hand side, and make sure the lines are above the bell, and that will notify you of any new videos coming out and keep you up to date. And click above to watch the latest video. Thanks for watching.